Hey everyone, Alan Palin here, and in today's video, I'm feeling a little destructive. As you can see, we are definitely outside because today might get a little messy. I'm actually in the process of redoing my brand new filming room. As I mentioned in my last video, I did move to a new house, which means we'll have a brand new filming room. As you guys know, I do all sorts of stuff, whether it be arts and crafts, makeup, cosmetics, transformations, odd challenges, food videos. We honestly do it all on this channel. But since I'm redoing my filming room, I got a whole bunch of new products, a whole bunch of new things to explore. Was going through my old beauty and makeup supplies, and I found a lot of products that either I don't use anymore, they've expired because it's been so long, maybe a couple that are almost empty. But nonetheless, an effort to celebrate new beginnings. We're doing a whole out with the old and with the new kind of thing, and we're gonna destroy all of my old makeup. There's not gonna be very much in terms of commentary. I'm just gonna kind of wham bam, wreck everything right in front of your very eyes. To make this a little more educational or informative, I will go ahead and list all the products I did destroy in the description box down below, and I'll kind of rate them maybe 1 through 5. 1 being I hate them, 5 being I love them, and then some of them I'll leave a comment why I'm destroying it, whether it be, oh, it's expired, I hated it, or, you know, I'll tell you why. Other than that, you guys, just sit back and watch me ruin some makeup. Oops. There we go.